Right now, my Avion, I got a lot of stuff stored here and there. All my wolves want to bark. The wind blew Dorothy over. This is an old record player. The fish is in the basket. I need to get a loaf and put in there for the loaves and the fishes. My mom made me this. Check out my breakfast nook table. And these chairs. They turn, they swivel. I do believe I just paid $20 for this table. I just have things stored here and there for now. Hi, Arnold. I had to take everything down when I moved it from the driveway to the backyard, so everything's pretty much just storage for now. My shower is full of clothes. And the bedroom. I have a brass bed, and I wanted it to look like a harem, so I fixed it like that for now. And you can't really see this, but I have a oriental rug in here. Hi, Alice. Here's me some winter boots I can clean up. My bowling picture. My Cheshire cat. I've had that wolf blanket a long time. I need to get in here and sort through all this. I really love this beautiful glass top table. It's got space under there. These are my white lilies that was on my arbor to the entrance of my cobblestone walkway to my hobbit house. That hung outside my hobbit house. This table is actually, this wicker bottom of this table actually goes to the matching wicker chair right there. So the top chair piece is here, hooked to this chair. I just set it on top. That goes to that base. So I just made a table. I had 2 pieces of glass shelving that I put up there. So